A single speck of dust, invisible to the naked eye, holds the universe's most profound secrets. For centuries, humanity has gazed upwards, captivated by the celestial tapestry above us. These distant lights, ancient and mysterious, whisper tales of creation and cosmic evolution. But what if these dazzling displays aren't just pretty pictures, but powerful tools shaping our very existence? Our understanding of reality itself hinges on deciphering these ethereal cosmic messages. Space imagery, from the faintest nebulae to the most violent galactic collisions, offers unprecedented insights. These stunning visuals are not mere art. They are scientific data, rendered beautiful and comprehensible. They allow us to peer back billions of years, witnessing the universe's infancy unfold before our eyes. Imagine a camera so powerful, it captures light from the universe's first moments after the Big Bang. That's precisely what advanced telescopes like Hubble and James Webb achieve daily. They collect photons, tiny packets of energy traveling across unimaginable distances through the void. These photons, carrying information about temperature, composition, and motion, form the basis of our cosmic portraits. Specialized instruments then translate this light into the vibrant colors and intricate details we see. Each hue represents a specific chemical element, while the patterns reveal galactic structures. But that's not the strangest part. Consider the pillars of creation, iconic structures within the Eagle Nebula. These colossal columns of gas and dust are stellar nurseries, birthing new stars within their dense embrace. The intense radiation from nearby young stars sculpts these pillars, revealing their magnificent forms. It's like watching celestial architects at work, shaping cosmic matter with immense power. Another astonishing example is the detection of exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant suns. By analyzing subtle dips in a star's brightness, we can infer the presence of orbiting planets. These observations have revealed thousands of diverse worlds, some potentially habitable. Wait until you hear what comes next. This data helps us understand planetary formation and the conditions necessary for life. It's a humbling reminder of our place within a vast, interconnected cosmic web. The sheer scale of the universe, revealed through these images, challenges our perspectives profoundly. We are not alone, and the universe is far more dynamic and complex than previously imagined. These images also drive technological innovation back here on Earth. Developing cameras and sensors capable of capturing faint light spurs advancements in medicine and communication. The quest to see further into space constantly pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity. And then something unexpected happened. Studying cosmic phenomena like black holes, once theoretical, now allows us to test fundamental physics. The Event Horizon Telescope's image of a black hole offered direct visual confirmation of Einstein's predictions. This visual evidence solidifies our understanding of gravity's extreme nature. These cosmic snapshots are not just pretty pictures, they are keys to unlocking universal laws. They reveal the violent beauty of supernova explosions, the cosmic recycling of matter. Each image is a testament to billions of years of cosmic evolution, a story written in starlight. The impact extends beyond pure science. It inspires awe and wonder in millions. Seeing the vastness of space can foster a sense of global unity and shared humanity. It encourages us to protect our own fragile planet, a unique oasis in the cosmic desert. These images remind us of the profound questions. Where did we come from? Are we alone? The universe offers answers, painted across the canvas of space for us to discover. They ignite curiosity in young minds, fueling the next generation of explorers and scientists.
This visual dialogue with the cosmos is continuously expanding our knowledge.
It reveals the intricate dance of galaxies, their collisions and mergers shaping cosmic structures. We witness the breathtaking beauty of star clusters, born from the same cosmic dust. The spectral analysis of these images reveals the chemical building blocks of life throughout the cosmos. This understanding informs our search for extraterrestrial life and its potential forms. The sheer diversity of celestial objects continually surprises and challenges our theories. Every new image pushes the boundaries of what we thought possible to observe.
It's like finding new chapters in an ancient, epic novel.
These visual narratives are essential for public engagement with science. They translate complex astrophysics into accessible, awe-inspiring experiences. The universe's grandeur, captured and shared, connects us to something larger than ourselves. This ongoing exploration ignites a collective sense of discovery. If you found this journey through cosmic imagery as breathtaking as we did, Please subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments which celestial wonder captured your imagination most. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.